When people think about improving energy efficiency, they often focus on windows, insulation, or HVAC systems. But one of the most overlooked factors is something you use every day: your doors. In high springs, where warm summers, humidity, and seasonal temperature swings are part of daily life, proper door installation can make a noticeable difference in comfort, energy bills, and long-term home performance. Why doors matter more than you think. Your exterior doors act as a barrier between indoor comfort and outdoor conditions. Poorly installed doors can allow air leaks, moisture intrusion, and heat transfer, all of which force your heating and cooling system to work harder. Even a small gap around a door frame can lead to significant energy loss over time. In high springs properties, whether residential homes, rental units, or commercial buildings, this issue becomes more pronounced due to Florida's climate. Hot air, humidity, and frequent use of air conditioning make energy efficiency a top priority year-round. Proper installation prevents air leaks. One of the biggest energy drains comes from air leakage. If a door isn't installed correctly, gaps around the frame can let cooled air escape in the summer and allow hot air to enter. This means your AC has to run longer and more often just to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Professional door installation ensures a tight, secure fit. Installers properly align the frame, seal the edges, and use weather stripping where needed. The result is a door that closes firmly and keeps conditioned air exactly where it belongs, inside your property. Improved insulation for Florida's climate. Modern doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind, but even the best door won't perform well if it's installed poorly. Correct installation allows insulated doors, such as fiberglass or steel models with insulated cores, to deliver their full benefits. In high springs, this means better protection against heat gain during hot months and reduced heat loss during cooler evenings. Over time, this improved insulation helps stabilize indoor temperatures and reduces sudden temperature fluctuations that make homes feel uncomfortable. Lower energy bills and less HVAC strain. When your doors are properly installed, your HVAC system doesn't have to compensate for air leaks or temperature loss. That translates into lower monthly energy bills and reduced wear on your heating and cooling equipment. For homeowners, this can mean meaningful savings over the year. For property owners and landlords, energy-efficient doors can increase tenant comfort while lowering maintenance costs and improving property value. Moisture control and indoor comfort. High springs humidity makes moisture control essential. Poor door installation can allow humid air to seep inside, leading to condensation, mold growth, and that sticky indoor feeling no one enjoys. A properly installed door helps block excess moisture from entering your home or building. This not only improves indoor comfort but also protects flooring, walls, and door frames from long-term damage caused by humidity. Increased property value and buyer appeal. Energy efficiency isn't just about comfort, it's also a selling point. Homes and properties with professionally installed, energy-efficient doors are more attractive to buyers and renters. They signal quality construction, lower energy costs, and thoughtful upgrades. In a market like High Springs, where buyers value efficiency and durability, upgraded door installation can make your property stand out. The bottom line: door installation plays a crucial role in energy efficiency, especially for High Springs properties facing Florida's climate challenges. A properly installed door helps seal out heat, humidity, and air leaks, keeps energy costs under control, and enhances overall comfort. If your doors are outdated, drafty, or poorly fitted, upgrading and installing them correctly isn't just an improvement. It's a smart investment in your property's comfort, efficiency, and long-term value.